My dad's making dinner, so I'm gonna do his recording thing. So, a bag contains marbles: 10 red, 12 green, 15 blue, 8 yellow, 12 white, and 7 black. A marble is chosen. Find the probabilities of the choosing. So, what's the probability of pulling a red marble from the bag? There's 10 red marbles, and there's 64 marbles in total. So your chances of getting a red marble would be 10 out of 64, and you can simplify that to whatever that ends up being. Probably like 5 out of 32 if you simplify it. Chance of getting a black or a white marble, so you have to add up the black and the white. So there's 7 black and 12 white. Added up is 19. So it's 19 out of 64 is your chances. You can't simplify that. Red or green, so there's 10 red and 12 green. Add those together, you have 22 out of 64, which can be also simplified, but it doesn't matter. Red, green, or blue, so there's 10 red, 12 green, and 15 blue, so that's 10 plus 12 plus 15, which equals 22 plus 15 equals 37 out of 64. All that aren't white, so you can just take a quicker route here, and there's 12 white, so 64 minus 12 ends up being 52, so 52 out of 64, and not white or black, and white and black is 12 and 7, add those together is 19, 64 minus 19 is 45 out of 64. So that would be 10 out of 64. Oh, that's bad. 19 out of 64. You can just know that these are out of 64. 37. 52. And 45. G-Roads TV can pick up 120 stations. At 8 p.m., 42 stations are showing commercials. 18 sports. Oh, wow. Let me restart. At 8 p.m., 42 stations are showing commercials. 18 sports. 25 are showing movies. 7 are showing news shows. 13 showing comedy programs. And 12 drama programs. 3 sales programs. Yeah. A station is chosen at random. Which the following probabilities? Choosing news shows. So there are 7 news shows. So that would be 7 out of 120. Commercials, there are 42 commercials. So 42 out of 120. And there are drama or comedy. So there is 12 drama and there are 13 comedy, which is added up to get 25. 25 out of 120. Sports, movie, or news. There are 7 news. There are 18 sports, and there are 25 movies. Add those all up, and you get... Wait, hold up. Let me do that math again. You get 50, I believe. 50 out of 120. Not a sales program, so just 120 minus 3, which is 117. 117 out of 120. And they're neither sports or movie. So, movies, there are 25. Sports, there are 18. 25 plus 18 is 43. And then 120 minus 43 is 77. Did I do that right? Yes, I did. 77 out of 120. All right, moving on. A pet store has 25 pets, 16 dogs, and 6 cats. Of the dogs, 13 are puppies, and of the cats, wait, I drew over that, 6 are kittens. A pet is chosen at random. Find the following probabilities. Chances of getting a dog. So, what I'm going to do is split this up. So there's, I don't really have room to write this down, but you could say that there's 3 dogs, 13 puppies, 3 cats, and 6 kittens, just to get all of the different categories quicker and just have them written down. But I don't have room to write that. So pet store has 25 pets. And so what are the probability of it being a dog if you chose at random? So there are 3 dogs, so it's 3 out of 25. Ooh, wait, I did that wrong. So, okay. So there's 16 out of 25. So a dog counts for both, but a puppy, does that make sense? So if you were to get a dog, it could be a puppy or a dog. But if you were to get a puppy, it can only be a puppy. There's only 6 puppies, but there's 16 dogs, which includes grown dogs and puppies. So in this case, there would be 16 out of 25. You'll see what I mean in a little bit if you don't understand. The chances of getting a cat is 9 out of 25. And the thing I just said goes for cats also. So for puppies, there's only 13 puppies. So that's 13 out of 25. For a kitten, there's 6. So it's 6 out of 25. Chances of getting a puppy or a kitten, so there are 13 and 6, which is 19 and 25. Neither a puppy or a kitten. So this is where you have to do, there's 16 dogs, but only 3 of them aren't puppies, so it's 3 dogs and 9 cats, and 6 of them aren't kittens, so there's 3 and 3, 6 out of 25. I'm probably not explaining this very well. All right. A rental car has 49 American-made cars and 26 foreign cars. Of the American cars, 35 of them are white, and of the foreign cars, 15 are white. A car is chosen at random. Find the probability. Okay, so why are so many white? Okay, sorry. 49 and 26. So in total, here's a chart. Can't I hold this down a minute? Hold up. Can I not use my phone? Oh, it works. Oh, okay. So the amount of cars that are American and white. So of the American cars, 35 of them are white. So American, there's 49. Foreign, there's 26. So of the American cars, 35 are white. So white American cars, 35. And then 49 divided by 35, or not divided, minus 35 would equal 14. So 14. And then for foreign cars, 15 are white. 15, which leaves you with 11 that aren't white. So I guess I just pretty much answered this. So American, there's 49. Doesn't matter what color. In total, there's how many? There's 49 plus 26, which equals 75. So there's 75 in total. Foreign, there's 26 plus 75. American, wait, am I doing this wrong? Oh, I actually did it right. All right. American or foreign, there's, so together, that's 100% probability, right? I'm almost positive. Yeah. Not white. So the chances of them being not white, is 14 plus 11. Because it doesn't matter if it's American or foreign. So 14 plus 11 would be 25. Yeah. Which is also just 1/3. American or white. So there's 49 American. And so you can't count the white cards that are American because you're already counting them when you're taking the American cards into consideration. So the only cards that you consider are the white that are foreign. You don't consider the white that are American because you're already counting them when you say American, that you're counting the Americans, if that makes sense. Probably doesn't, but whatever. So you have 49 plus 15, which equals 64. 64 by 75. Foreign or not white. So foreign. So you have 26 foreign, and then you, like I said last time, you only count the American cards that aren't white. So it's 14 plus 26, which equals 40. 40 out of 75. Oh, we got a whole. Oh my gosh, you guys get a lot of work. I'm not gonna try to say that name. Marky. Marky's mom put a bunch of cookies in a cookie jar. 27 chocolate, 32 vanilla. Of the chocolate cookies, 7 of them were generic. Of the vanilla cookies, 10 of them were generic. A cookie is chosen at random. Find the probability of choosing. Make a chart. Alright, so I'm going to do this little thing again. Just to make it easy. Oh, okay. That did not go as planned. Do any of you guys actually watch these videos? Because I see my dad making them all the time. Alright. Chocolate, there's 27. Vanilla, there's 32. Of them that are chocolate and generic, there are 7, leaving 20 to not be generic. And of the vanilla, 10 were, leaving 22 of them not to be generic. Chocolate is 27 out of 59. Vanilla, 32 out of 59. Chocolate and non-generic is, so chocolate and non-generic is 20. 20 out of, what was it, 59. Chocolate or non-generic is, okay, so like I said up top over here with American or white, you don't double the non-generics inside the chocolate. You count all the chocolate and then the non-generic vanilla. So that would be 27 plus 22, which equals 59. 59 out of, wait. 49. Oops. 49 out of 59. Pretty sure I did that right. Vanilla generic is only 10. Vanilla or generic, we've been over this, it's 39. Wait. Let me just double check with these. Alright, I did it right. Hopefully you did too. Oh my goodness, this is just busy work. Okay. Little line right here. Why isn't it working? Made an L, like the Buffalo Bills. Alright, there. Okay. A pizza shop has 2 sizes of pizzas, large and small. On a certain day, a pizza shop made 59 plain pizzas and 72 pizzas with toppings. Of the 59 plain pizzas, 19... Okay, I'm just going to first off write 72 and 59. Of the 59 plain, 19 were small. So 59 divided by 19 is 40. Of the 72 with toppings, 42 were large. 2, leaving, that's a 4, not a 9. 42. Okay. 42. You're going to have to live with it. 42, 72 divided by 42 is 30. So of large, there are large in total. So there's 40 plus 42, which equals 82. In a total, there are, let me just look at this, just so I don't have to do it. 131. 131 in total. Of the small pizzas, there are 19 plus 30, which is 49. 49 out of 131 with toppings is 72. 72 out of 131. Just pause it. Can you do that? You're gonna make 2. They better get this.